So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on your local computer. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. It goes a long way to support us to bring more of this content to you. Let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is to go to Google and search download XAMPP. All right, and then it's going to show you XAMPP's website, which is Apache friends.org, and here you see XAMPP for Windows. So just go ahead and click on this button, download 64 bits, and your download will just go ahead and start. All right. So once you've downloaded XAMPP on your system, the next thing you want to do is to download WordPress. All right. So once you search download WordPress, you're going to see download WordPress, wordpress.org. So click on that as well. Remember, go to wordpress.org and not wordpress.com to download WordPress. So here it says get WordPress, download WordPress 6.5.5. So once you click on download WordPress, you're going to go ahead and download it. All right. So make sure your download has started. It might take a few minutes on your end. And once that is done, we can get right into it. So I've downloaded WordPress and XAMPP right here on my end. So you want to click on XAMPP, all right, to install your XAMPP server on your Windows. All right, so it's gonna show this pop up, and you can go ahead and click yes to continue the process. All right, so I've already downloaded and installed XAMPP on my system, right? So the next thing you want to do as well is to open your WordPress download and unzip the WordPress folder to take out your WordPress file. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and um, open the XAMPP control panel right here. So I'm clicking on that. So here is your XAMPP control panel, and then you can actually start the server. So just click on start Apache and start MySQL, and you can see here they are both started and running. All right. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go to our local disk storage, and find our XAMPP file. All right. So once we locate our XAMPP file here, I want you to click on it. So you click on it, you find your htdocs. Now right here in your htdocs, you would be copying your WordPress, your entire WordPress folder that you downloaded earlier, and you'll be pasting it here. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. All right. So here it is. I'm just going to click copy, and then I'll go back to my htdocs folder right here, and then I'm going to click paste. All right, so our WordPress file has been copied to our htdoc. So the next thing we're going to do is go back to your XAMPP control panel. So our servers had already been started. So right now you're going to click on admin button right on your control panel. All right, our host is ready. All right, so the next thing we want to do after doing that is to create a new database. So we're just going to click on new to create a new database, and then we're going to enter database name. So right here we're just going to choose WordPress for this, and ouch, this wasn't done correctly. We're supposed to choose WordPress, but we went with WordP. So anyway, so since we've gone with WordP, we're just going to go ahead with that. All right, you can use any name for this, it doesn't have to be WordPress. So let's go right there. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is to enter in your browser tab, open another browser tab, and enter localhost/WordPress, and then click enter. And wait for it to load. All right. So what comes up is WordPress setup configuration page. So of course we're going to click on English right here, and we're going to click on continue. And then you say let's go. It's going to require the following items from you. We're ready. So our database name is WordP. Remember, I'm just going to add that here. So username, we can just say root, and then password, we're going to leave password blank. Database host, local host, table prefix. So this is good. We're going to click on submit. So we say, all right, Sparky, let's run the installation. All right, so right here is asking us for a site title. So we're just going to go ahead and use everyday tech for our site title. Our username, we can use root as well, and our password, we can just use root as well, so we don't have to um, forget it, right? So say confirm with password. Yes, we do. So email, I'm just gonna put Winigem here, and that will be good. All right, discourage. I'm gonna click install WordPress. All right, so as you can see here, our WordPress site has been installed. So we're just going to go ahead and log in. So our WordPress username root, remember we chose root, and password we also chose root. So we're just going to go ahead and log in. All right, so that's it. Welcome to WordPress. Your WordPress site has been installed into your local host. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to drop a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. Cheers.